Hello and welcome to this O&DR Modurol video. This is MT38 in our series of XK8 videos detailing how we converted our automatic Jaguar XK8 to manual. And in this video we're going to do a bit of a project update, and particularly it's a bit of a message to Glenn, showing him where we are and what we're sending him in the post. So over the last few weeks I have promised I'm going to fit the wiring loom for Glenn's NTM onto the gearbox and test the selector. Unfortunately, I haven't got round to doing that. I've had some issues with my house. I've made some house repairs and the weather's been quite cold until recently, so I haven't really wanted to get stuck into the garage. So that was put on the back burner. But in the meantime, I've developed a sample left-hand drive pedal box set with the 3 pedals. So looking at this left-hand drive pedal box adapter brackets. So this is a new bracket position using a 2-inch link, to the slave cylinder. Obviously, one thing that's happened, Glenn, is this pivot point has got closer to the brake, so I've had to swap this over and I've turned that down slightly to give a good clearance to the brake lever. It all seems to go together quite well. Again, you can see this in my stainless pedal cover option, which I'm not sure if people are interested in that or not, but it's available. The set I'm going to send you, Glenn, you've got your triangular feet. I'm going to send you a steel insert for the accelerator, just for your interest. If you want to go for these shaped pedals or something like this, I can send them to you. No problem. So that's all done. So in doing that, Glenn, what I'm intending to do, I'm going to send you a left-hand drive bent brake pedal, adapted brake pedal, and a clutch pedal and bracket assembly. So you can try. So I know that the prototype I sent you, the link ratio was quite large. This one's got a smaller link. It's a 2-inch link rather than a 3-inch. So you should get better leverage, and hopefully a clutch pedal should be easier to work with this new one. So I'm quite happy to send you that in the post. So that's the first thing. So hopefully you find that useful. Secondly, you've had some inquiries for the sensor, the gear position sensor. So I've made a couple of samples, one for you and one for Steve, which I know you've got a definite inquiry in the US for that. So I've made that, I've finished those. So you've got the sensor unit here, and I've got some stainless 2mm diameter stainless steel links to send with those as well. So hopefully you'll have an interesting box of bits to play about with in the new year. So I'm going to get them off to the post to you this week. Well, actually tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow. And then I'm definitely going to get on with this fitting the loom. Thank you very much for all the precise instructions. I've read them over Christmas, but I haven't really got into actually fitting them. It's been really cold in the UK, and we've had a bit of snow, which is not unusual for us, but it's quite rare. And I've actually been contemplating dragging the gearbox into the house to play about with it, but I haven't done that, hence we're a little bit behind as per usual. So I'm really confident over the next few weeks we'll get into this fitting the loom onto the gearbox, testing the gear position sensor, and moving on with the build. Anyway, thanks for your support, Glenn. Hopefully you'll enjoy your Christmas present from me, from the O&DR Modurol, and see you shortly. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying these videos, following our progress. We are going to make some progress very shortly. I know I keep saying that, but these these sense housings, I promised I'd make them, and it took me quite a while, and I thought I'd better do these before I go on any further. Plus the state of the US duties and the tariff situation. I thought better not mess around, get these shipped while the tariffs are somewhere near reasonable. So there you go. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more Modurol videos. Bye bye.